Over-the-counter drugs are medicines that can be bought at your local pharmacy without a doctor's prescription. Some common over-the-counter drugs that you may know of are aspirin, Advil, and Tylenol. The purpose of these drugs is to give you the option to self-medicate without the need to consult a doctor for minor aches, pains, and colds. Though this can be practical, these drugs can also be misused and abused. The STS topic of unintended consequences is very applicable to the misuse and abuse of over-the-counter medication, as drug abuse indicates unintended use of an otherwise useful technology. Some major groups in question are the general public, pharmaceutical companies, along with their shareholders, and government organizations such as the FDA. The FDA determines the legality of specific drugs, which then allow companies to produce these medicines, which are eventually consumed by the general public. Scientists and pharmacists can also affect the distribution of these drugs. Some physical artifacts in question include the existing infrastructure surrounding the manufacturing of over-the-counter drugs, resisting changes to government regulations. So, the overall objective of my STS research project is to determine what are the plausible contributors to over-the-counter drug abuse in first world countries. By utilizing actor network theory, I can analyze tangible and intangible actors to determine the impact of education, drug production, and drug accessibility on drug abuse. With this information, I hope to find a few possible sources that can impact the rate of drug abuse. Over-the-counter drug abuse has severe impacts on both the health of patients and a country's economy. In 1992, the U.S. spent an estimated $98 billion for problems due to drug abuse and dependence. Long-term abuse of certain over-the-counter drugs can result in damaged livers and intestinal bleeding. By analyzing the socio-technical systems surrounding drug abuse, I hope to find a starting point for curbing this ongoing issue.